great. Anytime. I just got a new remote for the car. It was like $2,000. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I need that for the car.
You know what time it is? Yeah, that way, baby. Hey, so I'm a YouTuber. You feel me? What does one have to do to own such a beautiful car?
Get involved in business. No, when you go to do maintenance on the car, it's like a Ferrari. Yeah. Like when something happened with my power steering, they told me it was like $21,000 to fix it. Jesus Christ.
So did you get it fixed?
No, yeah, I had to get it fixed, and then the brakes are like $15,000 to fix. You get all four done. You get power steering, so you on the power steering.
You mind if
Yeah, it's pretty dirty right now.
I touched the GTR, baby. Yeah. Look at that. What's good, bro? Say what's good to the can. What's up? My hand's type wet. I was just...
I got VODs and CD3s that go on, but it's too cold for him to crack.
What mods you got on here right now?
It's just the axle back and then the straight white pipe. Going test pipes.
Okay.
A couple weeks, and then from there, I guess we'll see how loud it is.
How low are you?
I'm on springs. I'm only an inch and a half all around. I'm going coils though, so.
What type of springs you got on there?
TN.
Okay. I'm thinking about getting TN, so.
Yeah, no, they're pretty good. They're rarely balancing. Rarely balancing.
Yeah. Wait, go out that way a little. Yeah, you got it.
Boss.
Man, look at that lineup, man. Look at that lineup, baby. Yeah. See his trunk? I want that trunk so bad. Duckbill carbon fiber. Oh my God. Yo. Your shit's done. Everything's blue. Your shit's blue. Hey.
Is it tire?
Yeah, we good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You got a lug key? Huh? You have a lug key?
Yes.
Where's that? Trunk?
You got a...
So
You got Ratchet.
Look at this. Literally.
No.
That's from his wheel. He spent all the way out. Update. So what's happening right now? He got the spare tire on there. So, you know, we're about to head out. You know, we're about to be back on our way. What happened is he was spinning, you know, the friction ripped it off. Right, sir.
Trying to wreck traffic.
It sucks.
That shit hurt my heart.
Yeah.
Yeah, once I heard that metal noise, I was like, oh nah, something ain't right.
Yeah, when I heard that, I'm like, yo, he crashed? I thought he crashed into another car.
You looking all crazy.
Yeah, go about your business.